Hello and welcome back to the channel. This tutorial is just a simple tutorial on basic loops and statements that you'll need when you're programming. They're very important. So we're going to be looking at for loops, if statements and while loops. So first, for loops. So this is a basic structure of them. They take in 3 arguments. First we have the value the integer is first set to at the start of the loop. Then it's saying that while I is greater than 5, the loop will keep repeating. And finally, this is just saying the direction the value will change in. So the syntax is plus plus to go forward and minus minus to go backwards. And it's just saying do that each time the loop is being run. And then finally, with the code in the curly brace, this is what happens each time the loop goes round. So you can do anything here, just any normal code that you'd normally do, but you can do it multiple times instead of just once. Okay, if statements. So at the top here, we're declaring an integer. Here we're actually doing the if statement. So first we're declaring the integer I. You can call it anything, just change I to whatever, and here as well. And then we're just saying if I is equal to 1, and 2 equal signs are very important. You can also use a greater than or equals, or you can just use a greater than. Greater than and equals means that it's greater than that or that, and just greater than means that it has to be greater than. But anyway, we're just saying equals, and then, which it is in this case, because we're setting it to 1 and it is, and we're saying if it is equal to 1, then we can just do anything, whatever you want to do. In this case, we already know if I is equal to 1 as we're setting it ourselves. But if we were either setting it to a random number, or if we were changing the value of it, for example, every time a for loop went around, we wouldn't know what it was equal to, and that's why you might use an if statement. Finally, while loops, these are pretty easy to understand as well. So at the top here we're just declaring the integer, and then here's the actual while loop. So we're declaring the integer, and then we're just saying as long as I is greater than 0, we can do it. But as soon as I is either equal to 0 or less than, then you can't do that. And here you'd also use 2 equal signs if you're doing equals. And then we just do something. So that's it for this tutorial in under 3 minutes. Subscribe for more, and bye.